All right, question 13, A, B, and C. I'll let you read the question, but ultimately what we're doing, the first part of the question says if you've got an equation for the velocity of the train in minutes, and we're told the velocity of the train is going to be a certain speed after 5 minutes, what would the velocity be? Well, we've got t's. 5 minutes is the value of t here. So we're just going to put 5 in every time we see a t over here. And so we're going to end up with, here's the equation. They give us a v equals 72, 72t minus 12t squared. Alrighty, so we've got v, we don't know v, 72 times 5 minus 12 times 5 squared. All right, so 5 5s are 25. 72 5s, it's going to be 360 minus 5 squared is 25, and 12 5s, I'm just going to cheat a little bit, 12 times 25 is going to be equal to 300. So 360 minus 300 is going to equal 60 kilometers per hour. And that is the first part, so that's A. All right, then it says B, write a quadratic equation and solve it to find the 2 times when the train is traveling at 96 kilometers per hour. So we've got our equation. I'll rewrite the equation. It's V is equal to 72t minus 12t squared. And we're told the train's traveling at this time, at 96. So I'm just going to write 96 in here, 72t minus 12t squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 96 from both sides. So we've got to make it equal to 0, subtracting the 96 from both sides. So I'm noticing here that we can happily divide all of this by 12. So I'm going to restate this. So 12 divided by 12 is, of course, going to be 1, or negative t squared, 1t squared. There it is. What else we got here? 96 divided by 12, that's going to be 8. And we've got 72 divided by 12, that's going to be 6. So let's have a look. We've got that. We're going to have minus 8 over here. And we've got a plus 72. Oh, sorry. Yes, 72. That's going to be 6t. And that's going to equal to 0. Now, I don't like the negative out the front there. Going to multiply the whole lot by negative 1. So everything, including the 0, by negative 1 gives me t squared minus 6t plus 8 is equal to 0. So I'm looking for factors of 8 that add together to give us 6. I'm going to have 2 brackets. I know the signs are going to be the same, and they're both going to be negative. So I've got a negative and a negative. I've got a t and a t. Factors of 8 are going to be 2 and 4 are going to make a 6. So I'll put a 2 here and a 4 here. So t is going to be at 2 points. So t, either t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 4. And they are my 2 solutions here in order for that to equal 0. So the time is 2 minutes and 4 minutes. Don't forget, of course, to put in the units. And there's my answer.